Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. First of all, if you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe and press the bell icon. So today we have one of the amazing drones under just $60. So today I'm going to show the video and about the drone that is, I think, one of the best drone under rupees under $60. So first of all, it's you can search it on Amazon, so you can just buy it under, I think, $55 by applying the code. So you can see it's a 4DRC mini drone which includes camera, and it's a foldable drone, and it can connect to your phone with the Wi-Fi, so you can also control this drone on your phone, and you not require the what we can say the remote or specific thing. If you don't have a remote or batteries, you can just use it on your phone. Then it have 3 batteries, you can see. So it has 3 batteries. It's best, you can buy and you can use it for around 30 minutes. It has a flight time of 30 minutes. So it comes with 3 batteries that you can charge and keep them whenever there is a low battery on your drone. So you can just fly the drone time around 2 hours, so which is very good time to cover all your pictures or the videos. So it's a 4DRC drone, so you can use it to make videos and to make the view very good looking, because it's due to its compatible and its small size, which can go from the different things from the different areas, so you can get the wider views and the different animations. So this is the best drone you can buy under $60, as it is just it's even small than the remote. So you can, but its camera is very good quality, so you can use it to make good quality videos. So guys, now I'm showing you the video of how the instructions and all the things are going to work. So please again like and subscribe my channel for the latest updates of my videos. Thank you guys. So now you can view the video, and I think it's a good drone to spend money on this. It has good reviews, and yeah, you can also apply $5 coupon, so you can see by continuing you can buy it. So this is where the camera is, this is the remote, this is your phone where you are going to attach. So now you can look on the videos. Thank you guys.
Take out a shadow. Deploy the 4 wings of the drone, pushing in the direction of the marked arrow, and remove the battery. Place the battery into the charger. The indicator light of the charger is off, indicating that it's being charged. Charging is completed when the lights are on. Remove the battery and reattach it to the drone. Alignment and calibration. Switch on the drone and the remote. Push the left stick up and down to match the frequency. Long press for instant calibration. The light of the drone is always on after flashing, and the calibration is successful. On the left rocker, push the blades to rotate, then push the vehicle up for takeoff. App download and a link. Scan the code on the manual. Jump to App Store. Click to download. Turn on the drone switch. Connect to the drone's Wi-Fi. Open the downloaded app. Click on the control panel. Takeoff and loading. Short press for instant takeoff. Short press for instant loading when flying. Basic function demonstration. The drone will go up when pushing the left stick up. Go down when pushing down. Go left when circle to the left. Go right when circle to the right. The drone will go up when pushing the right stick up. Go back when pushing down. Go left when pushing left. Go right when pushing right. Speed switch. Press the speed switch. Low gear, medium gear, high gear. Fine turning function. In the course of flying, if it is deflected in a certain direction, fine-tune it by pressing in the fine-tune button in opposite direction until it doesn't stay any further. Instant rotation. In hovering, press a button for rotation. Auto rotation on drone. Instant click roll. In hovering, press a button for instant click roll. The right stick is pulled in the direction of the roll. The drone will roll in the direction of the wobble. Handless mode. Point your nose in the direction of takeoff. Once you are in handless mode, at this point, no matter which way of the nose is pointing, will be headed in the direction they were heading when they took off. Emergency stop. In the event of an emergency during flying, press the emergency stop button. The blades of the drone will immediately stop turning, operating with caution.